Morning, guys. I ended up hanging out with Harvey and Jake, a neighbor, watching a China show until I was too tired, so I went to bed. I recognize today's probably just gonna have to be an editing day. I'm so behind on editing, so I think that's just what I'm gonna be up to today. Hey, Jewel.
I don't think we've ever mown behind that clump there either. When I saw you mowing behind there, I'm just like, oh, well done there.
Skal jeg give dig lidt af begge dele?
Jo, hvorfor ikke? I made myself a cup of tea. Moss made himself some coffee. And now we're going to the neighbor's place. We're gonna go on a nice, what do you call it? Like a little shopping trip. Go do some shopping. Jake has a car, so I'm gonna head and chill with those guys until we leave. Guys, I didn't get any editing done whatsoever. Just busy hanging out with people, enjoying the weather, and now just chilling out. We did say goodbye to Harvey as well today, so much of the day was just hanging out with him. Good morning, guys. I'm watching some Vsauce. I have been for a while, kind of falling asleep, waking back up, falling asleep. It's still not noon yet, but I gotta get started. I got a lot of editing to do. Ugh. Check it out, guys. I got these delicious steaks. I never buy steaks, but I was inspired by the cheap one I got the other day. But these ones are much higher quality. I got some old school Danish energy drinks. I'm amazed they even make these. And cola. Some detergent. It's time to wash my clothes. Lazy day, guys. Lazy. There's all this stuff here, all this food left behind by Harvey. I had some of these. They were pretty good, even if they were expired. But you know, with preserved food like that, it doesn't really expire. Check it out, guys. I filled up this little squeezy bottle. What is it? 250 milliliters or so, I think. No, 100 milliliters. More like it, yeah. Oh, this mushroom sauce. Yes, it's mushroom sauce. I just want to have some for myself when I go travel. I don't know where to buy this stuff. I got another one I'm gonna use for soy sauce. I'm just not so sure if these lids can actually deal with soy sauce or if they'll kind of end up getting squeezed and getting it out here on the cap part. So it may be smarter for me to use one of these. These seem pretty good for liquids. So far they've been working out great with the cooking oil. So I think I'll probably use one of these for soy sauce and another one of these for ketchup. Yeah, that's a good idea. I gotta just take some of these spices. Spices never get too old, by the way, guys. Well, most don't. Just gonna fill up some of these spices in my little mini spice containers here, and then I'm gonna donate the rest to the kitchen, the common kitchen. Same for these spices, I'm gonna donate to the common kitchen. Just clearing up some stuff in the room. And rewatching the part of the China show I was watching when on the final day that Harvey was here. Okay, you know what? Never mind. These smell very strange. I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna throw them out. I refilled some spices and picked up a few new ones like sweet paprika and what do you call it? Cumin seeds. Yeah. Filled up the coriander. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm gonna fill up one of those bottles with some soy as well, so I have that. Another loose end tied up. I filled up this bottle with soy sauce. This one was rice vinegar. This one already has sunflower seed oil in there. This one has some homemade Greek olive oil I got from Matthias. This one has some Greek homemade olive oil I got from a friend back in Nyborg. This one has the mushroom sauce. It's really nice. And then this one has ketchup. Also good to have. So this is basically the sauces I'll be carrying with me when I travel to avoid these heavy glass containers. I have one spare bottle here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use for. Let's see. These are 120 milliliters. Pretty good. These ones are 100. I'm having the most wonderful days out here. The weather is amazing. There's no stress, nothing I have to do, just relax. Eat a bunch of sushi. These sushi rice are drying off nicely. Yeah. I'm just making myself some sushi. Breaded and fried chicken and shrimp. And here we got the rice vinegar with sugar and salt. We got a little rolling station here already. Here we go, guys. The sushi factory. One without anything. I like the neutral ones, Osomakis. Final result. One of them broke. But check it out. Impeccable sushi. Let's go. Itadakimasu. Let's eat. Check it out, guys. I made steak with white rice with mushroom sauce on it. I got broccoli and I got some carrots underneath there as well. Itakimasu. Let's eat.